Mi fydd yr ymwelwyr yn amlwg yn dod yma oherwydd y golff, ond rydyn ni'n awyddus iawn I bod nhw hefyd yn dod I wybod ychydig yn fwy amdano ni, y Cymru a'r wlad. Dyma ychydig o wybodaeth ynglŷn ag ardal Casnewydd.
Well, in Caerleon you will find a wonderful range of Roman remains. You have the fortress Beth, a complete Roman amphitheatre, and a museum that houses the major finds from around that Roman fortress. Newport was a very important industrial settlement based on the mineral wealth that was coming from the valleys to the north. So one of the best places to get an idea of the industrial heritage of the area is at the Big Pit Mining Museum at Blaenavon, where you can take an underground tour with a former miner and really have an insight into the history of Wales, which is largely gone from the southeast region. Transporter Bridge is a very important icon to Newport. Very few of those bridges were constructed, and it's to do with Newport sitting on the Severn Estuary and the huge tidal ranges, and it was a vital bridge linking the east and west bank of Newport that would also allow high-masted sailing ships up to the quays in the centre of the town. Tredegar House is a wonderful country house on the western edge of Newport, the ancestral home of the Morgan family, and they were already wealthy landowners before the time of the Industrial Revolution, when the mineral wealth meant that they became fabulously wealthy, and they certainly spent a lot of that money in decorating their home. Tredegar House is also going to be used as one of the major park and ride sites for the Ryder Cup, so it is very handy for people who may want to not only see the golf but also see the parkland and the stunning mansion house.